जून की ताज़ा खबर में आपका स्वागत है। जून एआई न्यूज़ वाज नॉट न्यूज़, इट वाज ड्रामा। गुड इवनिंग इंटरनेट, आज देख रहे हैं टेक न्यूज़ जून एंड आई एम योर होस्ट टकी ग्लैमबर्ग। और आज की बुलेटिन नॉर्मल नहीं है बिकॉज जून में एआई इंडस्ट्री ने सिर्फ अपडेट्स नहीं दिए, जून ने एआई इंडस्ट्री में प्रॉपर ड्रामा किया है। एंथ्रोपिक ने पावरफुल मॉडल लॉन्च किया एंड देन एक्सेस ही सस्पेंड हो गया। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट जो दुनिया को एआई बेच रही है उसने इंटरनली क्लाउड को रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया। गिटहब कोपायलट ने डेवलपर्स को याद दिलाया कि बेब टोकन्स फ्री नहीं है। ओपन एआई एंड एंथ्रोपिक आईपीओ रेस में घुस गए हैं और कंपनीज फाइनली समझ रही है कि एआई क्यूट है बट बजट चीप में क्यूट नहीं लग रहा। सो ग्रैब योर कॉफीज एंड लिसन केयरफुली बिकॉज जून का टेक न्यूज़ सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, इट इज अ वार्निंग। एआई इज एंटरिंग इट्स एडल्ट एरा एंड एडल्ट एरा मींस कॉस्ट, कंट्रोल, प्राइवेसी, पॉलिटिक्स एंड प्रेशर। सो लेट्स बिगिन। न्यूज़ 1 स्टार्ट होती है एंथ्रोपिक से। एंथ्रोपिक्स फेबर 5 ड्रामा लॉन्च हुआ फिर एक्सेस गया। जून में एंथ्रोपिक ने क्लॉड फेबल 5 एंड माइथोस 5 लॉन्च किया एंड ऑनेस्टली अनाउंसमेंट सुन के लगा कि ओके, एंथ्रोपिक इज हियर टू प्ले। फेबल 5 was positioned as a very powerful model, especially for coding, knowledge, work, vision, research, and long complex tasks. Basically, Anthropic said, here is the break. But within days, stories changed. Reports came that access to these advanced models was suspended after US government concerns around foreign access and national security. Now imagine this. A company launches one of its most powerful models. Developers are excited. Enterprises start watching. Competitors start sweating. That is not a product update. That is a Netflix political thriller with GPUs. In my opinion, this is the moment everyone needs to wake up. AI is no longer just cool tool है, prompt लिखो, answer लो. AI has become power. It has become infrastructure. It has become something governments are watching seriously. Earlier, software was all about features. Now AI is the control. कौन एक्सेस करेगा, कौन यूज करेगा, कौन से कंट्री में चलेगा, कौन सा डेटा जाएगा, कौन सा मॉडल सेफ है। दिस इज नॉट जस्ट टेक एनीमोर, दिस इज जियोपॉलिटिक्स wearing a hoodie. And developers, please understand this. If your entire product depends on one AI model and tomorrow access changes, pricing changes and policy changes or region restriction आ गया, then your app can literally shake overnight. So yes, use AI but don't become too dependent on one model like it's your toxic relationship. अगली न्यूज़ में बढ़ते हैं। Microsoft restricted Claude internally. Privacy has entered the chat. Next headline is extremely spicy. Microsoft reportedly restricted employees from using Anthropic's Claude Fable 5 and internally because of data retention concerns. And this is where the irony becomes delicious. Microsoft is one of the biggest AI players in the world. Copilot is everywhere. Windows में AI, Office में AI, Teams में AI, GitHub में AI, everywhere AI, AI, AI. But internally, when Claude Fable 5 comes into picture, Microsoft was like, data retention, नहीं चलेगा नहीं. And honestly, for once, corporate overthinking makes sense because people treat AI prompts like harmless text. They are not harmless. A prompt can contain internal code. If someone is careless enough, confidential document, babe, एरर सॉल्व करते करते कंपनी का सीक्रेट मत लीक कर दो। माई टेक, दिस इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ AI at work. Companies will not allow random AI usage forever. There will be approved tools, policies, access controls, token limits, audit logs. So, if you're a developer, learn this now. Using AI is one skill. Using AI safely inside a company is a bigger skill. Next news is token limits are here. Yes, AI का unlimited buffet खत्म. GitHub, Copilot, everyone moved towards usage-based billing with AI credits from June 1. And developers collectively felt that in their soul. Because for a long time, AI felt like an unlimited buffet. Prompts लिखो, generate करवाओ, refactor करवाओ, debug करवाओ, explain this file, explain that file, rewrite this service, create test cases, review my full code base. Now do it again, but better. And AI kept answering. But now the industry is reminding everyone, babe, every answer has a cost. Every prompt use tokens, every output use tokens. Every long context window costs money. Every agentic workflow that runs for 20 steps is not magic. In my opinion, this is actually a good reality check. Because the future is not about using AI randomly. The future is about using AI intelligently. Learning AI, don't just learn prompting. Learn efficient prompting. Learn context management. Learn when to use AI and when to use your own brain, which is cheaper and faster. That line hurts, but it's true. News number 4. OpenAI and Anthropic IPO race. AI companies want Wall Street glam. Both companies are reportedly moving closer towards public markets, and suddenly AI is not just a tech story anymore. It is a Wall Street glam story. This IPO race is very important because it changes the pressure. When companies are private, they can talk about mission, AGI, safety, research, future of humanity. But once public market enters the room, the vibe completely changes. Suddenly, investors ask very boring but very powerful questions. How much money are you making? How much are you spending? Are enterprise customers staying? Is AI profitable? Can this scale without burning billions? And honestly, this is where the AI industry gets exposed. Because demos are easy, profit is difficult, hype is easy, sustainability is difficult. My opinion, this next phase of AI will separate real companies from expensive magic shows. Because investors don't clap for cool model. Eventually, they want returns. And that pressure will affect everything. Pricing, limits, enterprise plans, model access, feature rollouts, even developer tools. So when you see AI subscriptions getting expensive, token limits getting stricter, or free plans becoming weaker, understand the bigger picture here. AI companies are not just trying to impress users anymore. They are preparing to impress markets. Brutal, but it's very honest. News number 5. OpenAI's burn rate. AI is extremely powerful but not cheap. Now let's talk money. Report said OpenAI burned around $3.7 billion in the first quarter of 2026. $3.7 billion. And that's not a burn rate. That's a whole financial bonfire. And this is why AI business is so fascinating. On the user side, AI feels smooth. You type, it answers. You ask for code, it generates. You ask for an image, it creates. You ask for debugging, it explains. It feels effortless. But behind that effortless answer is a massive machine. Servers, GPUs, data centers, cooling, cloud infrastructure, research teams, safety teams, product teams, and every time someone asks AI, can you make this email more polite? There is a cost somewhere. Now, I'm not saying don't use AI, use it. But understand that AI is not free magic. It is expensive intelligence served beautifully. My take. This is why the AI industry is becoming stricter with pricing. This is why credits are coming. This is why limits are coming. This is why enterprise contracts matter. This is why companies care about token usage. Because adoption is huge, but cost is also huge. And somewhere, these companies have to prove that AI is not just a popular hype. It is profitable as well. Also, as users, we deserve some clarity. Don't give unlimited vibes and then confuse people with complicated credits. Tell clearly what costs how much, which model is expensive, what happens when limits ends. Because developers can handle the cost, but developers hate surprise billing. So Tech June ताज़ा खबर यही समाप्त होती है. This was Tech News June with Techie Glam Girl. Sassy, serious, slightly scary, but always useful. So follow for more tech news, coding careers, and AI updates. Techie Glam Girl way. So Tech News June की ताज़ा खबर यही समाप्त होती है. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में.